Students, you are welcome to the Value Education class. Today we are starting chapter 7, the President, People's President. Look at the sky, you are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and compares only to give the best to those who dream and work. So, this is said by APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, his full name is Abul Pakir Zainlabuddin Abdul Kalam or Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was the 11th President of India. Before he became president, he was a well known scientist. Dr. Kalam was Dr. Kalam came from a humble background. He was the youngest of 5 children in a poor family. His father, Jainulabdin owned a ferry boat and his mother was a homemaker. They lived in Rameswaram on Pamban Island in Tamil Nadu. Kalam took up odd jobs to contribute to his family's income, but he never neglected his studies. At school, Kalam was a bright and hard-working student. He was curious to learn new things. He enjoyed studying for hours. His favorite subjects were mathematics and physics. Up to this, today we will read. So, APJ Abdul Kalam was the president, 11th president of India, and he was because he has died. So he was a well-known scientist also. He came from a humble family, a humble background. That means he is not from a rich family. Okay, and he has 5 brothers and sisters. Among the 5 brothers and sisters, he is very he is the youngest one and poor family. And one thing more, humble means they are very peace loving. They never fought with each other like that. Okay, his father's name is Jainulabdin and he has only a ferry boat, and his mother was a homemaker. Homemaker means the woman who lives in the home and works in the home to make the home more beautiful and take care of the children. And they lives in the Rameswaram, that is in Pamban Island in Tamil Nadu. Kalam took up odd jobs. Odd job means small small things uh, he used to do to contribute to his family income. But he never neglected his studies. That means he continued his studies. Along with the small jobs, he continued his studies. At school, Kalam was a bright and hard working student. Yes, he is very bright. Bright means good in studies and hard working. He enjoyed studying hours. uh, he was curious to learn new things. He is a very hard working. That means beside the work he worked, he studied also, and he enjoyed studying for hours. Many hours he used to study. His favorite subjects were mathematics and physics. Okay, till here you will read, and next I will give you some fill in the blanks and all these things, true and false, and you will have to do so. Read this much. Okay, till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time. And read the spellings also, very very necessary. There are so many hard spellings, like the name of Abdul Kalam. Maybe in exam it can come. What is the name? What is the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam? You have to write that one. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. So you have to read the spellings. President spelling you have to read. scientist, humble, background, youngest, all these things you have to read. Okay.